In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam games not opening or launching. If this does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this can obviously be very frustrating when you click play and nothing happens. So here's a quick few fixes that you could try. Begin by obviously opening up your Steam library and right click whatever game isn't opening for you. Let's just say it's Call of Duty Black Ops 3. In this case, go ahead and select properties just like so to get to a page that looks like this. And once you are on properties, go ahead and go to installed files, where you're going to want to go ahead and select verify integrity of game files. This is now going to allow Steam to check for any missing or corrupted files and automatically repair them. Now, if that didn't work for you, go ahead and click Steam up in the very top left and then go into your settings. And once you are in your settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see the download options here. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit more and you'll see a clear download cache option. Go ahead and select this. Confirm and then restart Steam. This can resolve a lot of startup or update related issues. If it's still not working, go ahead and restart your PC and then go ahead and get back on Steam. Right click on the game, go ahead and select manage and then hit uninstall and then reinstall the game fresh. There is a chance that if the installation was corrupted, it's not going to let you load it, and this usually solves it. But after trying all these steps, your game should launch normally again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.